listen, speak, read, and write.
Halo teman-teman, kali ini kita akan belajar tentang jenis-jenis binatang laut. Apa saja jenis binatang laut? Kita simak video berikut ini.
Hello friends. This time we will learn about the types of sea animals. What kinds of sea animals? Let's see the following video.
Kepiting. Kepiting.
In English is crab. Crab.
Penguin. Penguin.
In English is penguin. Penguin.
Walrus. Walrus.
In English is walrus. Walrus.
Lumba-lumba. Lumba-lumba.
In English is dolphin. Dolphin.
Kuda laut. Kuda laut.
In English is seahorse. Seahorse.
Gurita. Gurita.
In English is octopus. Octopus.
Bintang laut. Bintang laut.
In English is starfish. Starfish.
Udang. Udang.
In English is shrimp. Shrimp.
Hiu. Hiu.
In English is shark. Shark.
Ikan. Ikan.
In English is fish. Fish.
Kerang laut. Kerang laut.
In English is seashell. Seashell.
Lobster. Lobster.
In English is lobster. Lobster.
Penyu. Penyu.
In English is turtle. Turtle.